How to pin sticker on TikTok easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will give you a quick tutorial on how to pin stickers on your TikTok videos. It's really easy. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok and we will create a new TikTok so that I can show you how to pin stickers. So let's open up our camera and here I can now just record a video. All right, so we have a TikTok video. Click on check once you're done. And here we can edit it out. So at the bottom, you can see we have music, text, and stickers. Click on stickers and it will open up hundreds of stickers available on TikTok. And we can pin these to our video and they're, at that place in our TikTok video. So I can just, add some of these. For example, I'm going to add this one. All right, so it will be added here. We can of course move the cursor around, and we can also adjust the size by zooming in and zooming out and place where we want our sticker to be. Let's add another one, maybe this one. So here we have it. So these are the stickers that I wanted to add to my TikTok. Once you're done, click on next and your TikTok will have these stickers. The stickers are pinned. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.